Hey YouTube, how is it going? And welcome back to my channel Coding Beetle. So today I will be teaching you about mm, font, all the properties of that is related to font. So here is the paragraph tag from the previous video, and this is the style sheet. Now let's start dealing with fonts. So always remember, font is anything that is related to the text or sentence that you are writing. Any changes you make will be directly implemented on the text, like text color, text size, text style, or anything. For example, um, let's write font family Arial, save it to the browser, refresh. This is what you see as Arial. But if you want to make it bold, then we have to use font weight bold. Save it. Head back to the browser, refresh. See, the text is bold. You can make it even bolder. Sorry. Save and head back to the browser, refresh. It doesn't make any change, but it works in few places, not in every places. And font also have font styles. Font minus style, that is, with that, let's strike it italic, save it, head back to the browser, refresh. See, it is italicized or emphasized. And what more? Oh, let's see. Let's change the font color. Sorry, not font color, font size. And the font size would be, what can it be? Let do it 130%. Save, refresh. See, it is 130% increased. Or instead of the percent, you can simply add a number, then pixel. It will be according to the pixel. What? Now let's refresh. See. Now if I here, this goes according to the pixel. Uh, what to say? What the percentage usually does is it changes the font with respect to the font size it has as default. Means according to the percentage you give, it will increase by that percent. But when we give pixel, it will work according to the pixel size. And there are many other fonts. See, as you can see here, there are many sorry font stage, font kerning, font style, font synthesis, font family, font weight, font size, font variant, font numeric, font position, font variant position, font size. It's many. As you can see, there are many things that you can do with font. And one more thing that I want to say in this video is that here you wrote that font family Arial, font weight bolder, font style italic, font size 50 pixel, instead of using many tags, you can simply write all this in a single tag, like font colon, then write Arial bolder 50 pixel and remove all the above. Let's remove it for the time being and save it to show you what change it occurred. See, and after we put this and save and head back to the browser, we can see the change. What happened? It should have been working. Oh, sorry. The fact is that this font has a particular pattern. Like, you have to write the pixel first, and then what type of writing you want or what font family you want, and so on. See, it is in Arial CSS, means 50 pixel, and let's add bold, save it, head back to the browser, refresh. Refresh. Sorry, it's not working current now. I don't know why it's not happening, but yeah, that's how it works. Or you can simply write as you want, take different font styles, font family, or anything, whatever you want, and yes, keep on practicing at home. I will come back to you with another tutorial. Till then, goodbye.